Alright, so in this video, we'll be looking at interpolating and formatting strings. Now, there are three basic methods that you can use. The first one is the use of the modulo operator. The second one is the use of the string.format method. And the last one is the use of the f string. So we're going to be looking at the use of the f string. The reason being that f string is very simple, and with it, it is very easy for you to embed expressions inside your string literal. So what do I mean by string literal? So let's say I declare a variable str, and str is equal to, so once I open up this quotation mark, anything you put inside that quotation mark, be it your letters, your numbers, or a symbol, that is what we call the string literal. So let's say here I want to write Lionel Messi. So my string literal here is Lionel Messi. So let's say I want to print Lionel Messi 3 times. I can use the f string. You say print, you open up your brackets, then inside you put the f and you open up your quotation marks. So inside this quotation marks is where you're going to do the formatting. So here I'm going to open up my curly braces and I'm going to write the name of the variable, which is str, and I'm going to say multiplied by 3, that is times 3. So when I run this, it's going to print Lionel Messi 3 times. So you can see it says Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi. So this is a very simple way of formatting